In this tutorial, I'll show you how to automatically update month names using the EOMONTH formula in Google Sheets, so your sheet always stays in sync with the current date. Start by clicking on the cell where you want the month name to appear. Then enter this formula equals text EOMONTH today 0 MMM. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. The today function grabs the current date automatically. Then EOMONTH takes that date and returns the last day of the current month. The 0 simply means we are staying in the current month, not moving forward or backward. Now, since we don't want the full date, the text function formats it. The part tells Google Sheets to display the full month name like January, February or August instead of numbers. Once you press enter, the current month will appear instantly. And the best part is it updates automatically as the month changes. No manual edits needed. If you want to apply this across multiple rows, just drag the formula down your column or copy and paste it wherever needed. This is especially useful for dashboards, reports, or trackers that depend on current time-based data. That's it. You now know how to auto-update month names in Google Sheets using EOMONTH and keep your sheets always up to date.